Guys, so check this out. These artisans are carving every single detail by hand. I knew the Egyptians were skilled, but seeing it live is completely different.
Hey, hello, miss. You can't record here.
All right, guys, unfortunately, I'm not allowed here with a camera.
These time travel vlogs are quietly taking over TikTok and YouTube Shorts. This one page alone is pulling in millions of views with over 350,000 followers. But here's where it gets interesting. Over on YouTube, there's a channel with just 36 videos, earning around $25,000 every single month. And they've only recently started posting long-form content. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replicate this entire niche using only free AI tools. From coming up with viral ideas and detailed visual prompts, all the way to generating realistic time travel vlogs with a consistent character and voice. I'm also going to share my bonus prompt document, which can be used to create personalized channel names, reference character images, and thumbnails based on your video topic that looks something like this. So stay tuned for that. Welcome to AI Upskill. Let's get started. Now these videos are performing well because they rely on three major pillars. First, they feel super realistic, which we'll achieve once we get to the generation step. Second, they have something secret that most creators completely overlook, which I'll discuss in detail a little later. And third, they maintain a consistent character and voice throughout every single scene. And with Google's newly launched character reference system, we can achieve that easily. To do this, we'll be using Google Flow. Simply create a new project and head into the character section. You can either upload an existing character image or generate one from scratch using the prompt from my bonus document. For now, I'm going to upload one of my pre-generated characters. Once it's in, you simply select a matching voiceover that stays locked to this character across every future video we generate. And that's it, your character reference is set. Now this is my favorite part because this is where everything starts coming together insanely fast. Instead of spending hours manually writing prompts, I open ChatGPT, head over to the Explore GPT section, and search for AI time travel vlog. You'll find the GPT I built specifically for this niche. I'll put down all the links in the description below. Once you're inside, simply choose the Start with a Reference option. The GPT will then ask you a few things, and here's exactly how to fill it in. First, upload your character reference image. Then type in the location and time period you want. Lastly, just hit Generate. What happens next is genuinely impressive. The GPT transforms that simple idea into highly detailed image and video prompts. The whole thing took less than 30 seconds, and we just went from nothing to a complete video production plan. Now the second secret pillar is actually the background music and sound effects used in these AI vlogs. And instead of spending hours jumping between random websites trying to find matching tracks and sound effects, I'll be using Epidemic Sound. They have over 55,000 premium tracks made by real artists and more than 250,000 sound effects. But what surprised me the most were their new AI-powered tools. With Adapt, you can take any track and customize it by rearranging sections, modifying the stems, and trimming its length until it fits your video perfectly. Then with Assistant, you just describe your project in simple language, and it suggests exactly the right tracks and sound effects. And then there's Studio, which honestly feels insanely useful for this niche. You just upload your finished AI vlog, and Studio automatically generates a fully synced soundtrack for it. Before this, I was placing everything manually, which honestly took forever. So having a tool that speeds all of that up feels incredibly useful. If you want to give it a shot, click the link in the description for a 30-day free trial and use the code AIUPSKILL to get 50% off for 2 months. Alright, we're finally ready to generate the actual assets. I'll be using Nano Banana Pro inside Google Flow. If you don't have access to it, you can also use alternatives like GPT, Image 2. So what I usually do is head back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt from scene 1, and paste it directly into the generator. Then I reference the character model we created earlier. Next in the settings, apply the changes you want and simply click the Generate button. And seriously, this looks like an image taken directly from an actual iPhone. Now here's what you have to do next. Go back to ChatGPT and repeat this process until all of your images have been generated. Just don't forget to reference your character in the prompt. Alright, this is where things get really exciting. Select the video generation feature and make sure to use the ingredients option. Then select the number of videos you want to create, choose the Omni Flash model, and set the duration to around 10 seconds. After that, simply copy the video prompt from scene 1, reference your character and the first scene image in the prompt, and hit Generate. As you can see, the first scene is ready. Let's take a look.
So I'm in Vietnam right now, but everyone just keeps staring at my clothes.
Bro, this genuinely looks like a real vlog. From here, repeat the same process for every remaining image. Simply paste the video prompt, reference the character and the matching image, and generate the animation using the Omni Flash model. Now we are ready for the final step, where I will show you how to edit the video. Simply head into CapCut and start placing your generated clips one by one. Once that's done, add your channel logo or a text to get rid of the watermark. Then place another text at the top with your video topic, and turn on the caption setting that adds a background behind the text. After that, I'm going to add captions to our video. You can follow along to apply the same caption settings that I've used. So, once your video looks clean, simply export it, then drop it straight into the studio feature. It will read the visual and structural content of your video and automatically build and sync the soundtrack. This part saves me an insane amount of time compared to manually placing everything myself. Once everything looks cool, export the final version directly from there. Here's how the final result turned out.
So I'm in Vietnam right now, but everyone just keeps staring at my clothes. I can't believe I'm standing inside the Imperial Citadel right now.
Chúc bạn một ngày tốt lành.
Oh my God, thank you so much. She is so sweet. She gave me this so that I can feel secure. So this is where big cargo ships perform their import and export services. Now this is another side of Vietnam where crops are grown. And this is genuinely so peaceful. This looks so beautiful.
Chúc bạn buổi tối.
I don't know what he just said.
Pretty cool, right? But if you made it this far into the video, I've got something special for you, which I usually don't share with everyone. Simply hype this video and comment the word bonus below, and I'll send you my secret prompt document, which you can use to generate personalized channel names, reference character images, and thumbnails based on your video topic. And that's how easy it is to create AI time travel videos using only free AI tools. You now have the exact blueprint and my custom GPT to start immediately. This niche is still incredibly early. Channels are already earning thousands of dollars per month. If you genuinely want an AI to speed up your background and sound effect selection while avoiding any restrictions, give Epidemic Sound a try using the link in the description, and don't forget to use my discount code. If you enjoyed the video or learned something useful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
So guys, I'm in Egypt right now, and this is how the pyramids are being built. I honestly can't believe they are moving these massive stones without any modern machines. So this is where the workers cook. This feels like a living city, built entirely around the pyramid. From up here, you can see exactly how they bring everything in.